Essentially drives like a brand new truck. Steering wheel's nice and straight, brakes feel good. Very little road noise from the off-road tires. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at these wheels, I don't see any curb rash on them. They look amazing. Tires look good. Here on the fender, that looks really nice. You do have this little bump right here in the plastic, and then it is missing an antenna. We'll get one for that. Mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. That door looks good. That one looks nice. That wheel looks perfect. These steps look good. This side of the truck looks amazing. And then all of this looks good. Looking at the front end here, starting with the hood. Now keep in mind that flickering is just in camera, not in person. The edge of that hood looks amazing. Now we get down to this gloss black, and you are going to see rock chips kind of peppered throughout. Now there's no other damage on this front end other than just your everyday rock chips. So you'll see those on that gloss black. The painted surfaces all look really nice. I'm not seeing any rock chips that stand out there. You have a couple little rock impacts that didn't chip the paint. So really what you're going to see is just the chips here. Alright, looking at the fender here. Looks like two small rock chips there. That wheel looks perfect. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. The doors look good. That bedside's clean. That wheel looks good. And of course you got the bed liner in here. And this side looks amazing as well. And then checking out the tailgate. So far, all of that looks good. Very, very clean. Here on the top side, there's a couple notches in that plastic. Very minor scuffs. A little notch there. A couple graze marks, but other than that, that looks good. That bed liner looks amazing. Okay, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is super, super clean. They definitely took care of this vehicle. All the Alcantara here looks awesome. That wood grain looks good. Memory seating. These buttons all look perfect. Got the B&O audio. Very minor scuffs here on the lower side. And then a couple tiny scuffs on the kick plate. That carpet looks nice. Here on this bolster, that looks really good. And same here. And then when you look at the seat, at first I thought it was like blue jeans kind of rubbing off, but there's some blue on the very edge here. And then you can see it right here. So it's really just on these little seams. And so at first I thought it was like blue jean transfer, but it's actually just some sort of factory design. Looking at the steering wheel, gloss black looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. 17,000 miles. The screen looks awesome. I mean, everything in here looks pretty much brand new. There's really no complaints. And then looking at this door panel, looks absolutely perfect. Kick plate's nice and clean. Carpets look amazing. That bolster looks new. I don't see any flaws anywhere. These seats look awesome. All of this looks good. You got your ports here, double glove box. I don't see any scuff scratches or any flaws on this side. And then here on the back right door panel, that upper side looks nice. We have a tiny scuff right there, very minor. That looks good. Carpets look amazing. The seats back here are heated. You got your ports down there. Seat backs look awesome. And like I said, on that blue accent, you can see it here too. At first I thought it was blue jeans on that front seat, but you can see there's blue on the very edge here. You got the little bit of blue there. You can see it right here and there, as well as all those other seats. So it's some sort of design from the factory.